MF Travels presents Room Tour. Well, that is our trip. But one last time, let's take a look at the crib. This is the living room with the TV. Right to go. There's a kitchen here. That's the kitchen. And these are the two beds. It's like Japanese themed. Everything's like super small here. The Grand Islander. And then we have the TV, of course. It's a little bit of a mess because the room tour is now towards the end. Here's the
Bathtub is most definitely Japanese style.
yeah. Oh, look at this one. This has a bidet. Japanese themed.
And the bathtub.
And the bathtub is like
Small.
super small too. That's the lights over there, shower. It does have what is this? Washer and dryer. That's it. That is room tour in reverse. This is Villa G706. Alright, well, let us know if you have any questions. That's about it. We'll catch you on the next one. Book your vacay with me, MF Travels.